This summer, give your child a week at summer camp they are sure to remember for a lifetime at Magnolia Farm Summer Day Camp in Alpharetta, Georgia. Our program is for boys and girls age 5 through rising 5th grade. We offer 6 one-week sessions in June through mid-July. Before and after care is also available. Our mission is to offer campers opportunities for joy, wonder, and fun on the farm as they explore our barnyard, pastures, gardens, and streams. Growth in confidence, communication, and teamwork skills through a nurturing community led by inspiring and caring staff. And development of creativity and problem-solving skills through many fun, engaging, and challenging activities. Activities may include archery, kayaking, puppetry, horseback riding, farm animal care, gardening, art, songs, skits, and more. Our counselors are the best. They are fun, knowledgeable, and love kids. They may include teachers and current college students who have experience working with children. All staff receive training, are CPR and first aid certified, and undergo a background screening and reference check. For more information and to register online, please visit us today at campmagnolia.com. We look forward to seeing your camper at Magnolia Farm this summer.
Good. Good.